Hey everyone, it's Anne, and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you a quick video on a Caribbean style drink that I make. It's ginger, pineapple, and lemon with a little cayenne pepper that I boil in water, and then I basically just blend it, strain it, and have it as a hot tea. It's definitely something I use a lot of these days with all of the COVID-19 happening. So I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on what I do, okay? So I basically buy all my ingredients at the health food store. And on this particular trip while I was there, I also picked up some elderberry. And I use the elderberry in my drink as well. It's a little pricey, but you know, it's definitely worth it. And I usually shop at either Mom's or Yes Organic Market. In this instance, I found what I needed here at Yes Organic Market. But anyway, I had the video from November actually, so I wanted to just share it with you guys, okay? So basically what I do is I cut up all the ingredients. It's the pineapple, as I said, and I buy everything organic. So I have the pineapple, the lemon, the ginger, and the cayenne pepper. I don't use the skin of the pineapple. I cut that off. But I do use the skin of the ginger and of the lemon, okay? And then what I do is, like I said, I boil it in water. I put enough water in there so that it will be enough to make more or less make the liquid. So I get it in there and I make sure that it's nice and soft. All of the ingredients are cut up and it's nice and soft. And I think I boil it for about, I want to say maybe 20 minutes or so, no more than half hour. But I get everything in nice and soft. And then once it's done boiling, I more or less try to let it cool a little bit, but it doesn't have to be. It doesn't have to be cool all the way. But I put it in my I have a bullet that I use. You can use a blender, but I pretty much put it in my NutriBullet, and I blend it. And it basically comes out looking, you know, like a smoothie. It really and truly, it does end up looking like a smoothie. But what I do is once I've blended really well, I take it and I strain everything out because I don't really like the pulp, actually, is what it is. So I pretty much strain the pulp out, and the liquid is what I end up with, minus all that pulp. And I end up with a really nice blend of pineapple, ginger, lemon, and the cayenne pepper. You can also add some honey. If it's too strong, you can add some honey. And then you have a nice hot cup of tea.